Hello everyone, today we will discuss the topic training. It includes the training methods. Training, as we have already discussed, the concept of the training we have already discussed in our last class. These are the basically two types of training: on the job training and off the job, which an individual perform within the job or by the other sources is the off the job. The difference between the on the job training and the off the job training. On the job training, it provided at the workplace, it is provided by the superiors to the subordinates, it is less costly, it is less time consuming, it is used where the job are simple, it is disturb the work schedule, it is suitable where the number of employees to be trained is less. So this is the on the job, which is based on the individual requirement, what the individual want, what type of the skill set they want. So the on the job training is provided, while the off the job training, it is provided out of the workplace, not on the workplace, of the workplace. It provided by the expert within or outside the organization. It is costly method of training as we required expert for that, so it is the costly method and many other resources are required for the off the job training. It is more time consuming, it uses where the job are complex, the special kind of training in which the special kind of skills are required, that is based on the off the job training. It does not disturb the work schedule. It is suitable where the number of employees to be trained is more. Next is the methods of the training. There are some methods which is done on the job and few are the off the job. On the job methods: orientation, that we know, that is the induction method; apprenticeship training; internship or assistantship; job instruction training; job rotation. Through the job rotation, an individual can get the skills of the other department or other jobs also. Coaching, by providing the coaching, we can do the on the job training. While off the job trainings are the vestibule. As we know, there is some expert is involved, some other area, other field is also involved, and its purpose is so much clear that what type of skills we required for the individual development. So in the off the job, that is, first one is the vestibule, lectures method, spatial study, conference and discussion, role play, case study method, simulation, programmed instruction, laboratory training. In the labs we can provide the training, films and television. These are the methods of the training. Thank you.